everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do an eye makeup tutorial for the look I am wearing. I've done an all matte look with a really dramatic winged eyeliner and false lashes. I have been doing a lot of warm toned, very warm brown, orangey, warm pink kind of eye makeup looks lately, and these are the colors that have been trending for eye makeup for quite a while now. There are lots of new palettes in the market. One of the more affordable ones is the Revealed Matte palette by Coastal Scents. I was a huge fan of their Revealed series of eyeshadow palettes. They were really affordable. They came with 20 different colors just like this one. What I love about these eyeshadow palettes are that they are super affordable. They come with 20 shades. The quality is really good and the packaging is really slim and compact. It's very good for traveling. The latest palette they've come out is the Revealed Matte palette. It comes with 20 shades. You've got mostly lighter colors in the top row and then some warm and dark shades on the bottom row. Now I have done this eye makeup using only this palette today, and I'm going to show you a step by step for this later. Just to give you a quick review of the palette, the eyeshadows are nicely pigmented. The texture is really nice. They're very creamy, smooth, no chalkiness. Sometimes with matte shades you have a problem with blending. They can be a little chalky, but these are absolutely smooth in consistency and they blend really easily. So overall I'm really pleased with the texture and the color payoff. As far as the staying power goes, these stay quite well on my eyelids. I generally don't wear a primer and these stay for a good 6 to 7 hours. If I had one criticism, it would be that these eyeshadows have a little bit of fallout. They can be slightly powdery. As far as the color selection goes, I love the shades in the bottom row. The few of these top shades kind of look a little similar on my medium skin, but overall I think for the price and the quality, this is a really nice palette. The website ships from the US, so you have to pay a shipping fee and you might be charged a little extra for customs. I think I paid around rupees 500, which is somewhat on the higher side for this palette. They take about 2 weeks to deliver to India, and that is by the regular USPS. Just to show you how pigmented these shades are, I'm just going to swatch a few on my fingertips. So these are some of the medium and darker shades in the palette, and once I swatch this on the back of my hand, you'll see that they transfer really well on the skin. Sometimes what happens with eyeshadows is that you might get a lot of color payoff on your fingertip, but it doesn't really translate well on the lid. But with these you can see that they translate really well onto the skin, really nicely pigmented, and that's what I said. I'm really happy with the color payoff of the eyeshadows in this palette. And before we move on to the tutorial, I'm just going to swatch all the shades, all the 20 shades in this palette for you.
So these are the swatches of the top row, and these are the swatches of the bottom row.
Generally, I like doing shimmery eye makeup looks. I don't do a lot of matte looks, but I really like how this look turned out. So now let's move on to the tutorial.
So I've already done my base makeup, my brows and a little bit of contouring and blush. I'm now going to start with the eye makeup using the Revealed Matte palette. I'll start with this light brown color. I'm going to apply this all over the lid, creating a light wash. Next, I'm going to take this burnt orange color and I'm going to apply this along my crease using a small flat brush. I'm applying the same color along my lower lash line as well, making sure to take it all the way till the outer end, but not all the way in till the inner corner. Now taking a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend out that burnt orange shade that we applied in the previous step. Next, I'm going to mix two shades. I'm taking this brown and that darker reddish brown, and I'm using that to kind of define the outer corner and the outer crease, and I'm just applying and building up the intensity of the color slowly. I'm also patting a little bit of the color along the outer half of my lash line just to give it a bit of darkness and intensity. And a little bit of that darkest brown along the outermost bit of my lower lash line as well. Next, I've used a creamy pale color from the palette, and I'm using that along the brow bone as well as in the inner corner. Because this is an all matte look, I haven't used any shimmery highlighters for this look. And then to finish off, I'm going to do a dramatic winged eyeliner and then do 2 coats of mascara followed by a pair of false eyelashes just to make it a little more dramatic. For the lips, I've chosen a peachy pink matte liquid lipstick, and that is the final finished look.
So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.